What is a statement? A statement represents a complete instruction in a program. Statements in Visual Studio 2008, that is keyword. It may be operators, variables, constant, expressions. What is a keyword? Keywords are those words whose meanings are predefined to the compiler. We can't use them as variables, name, methods, and property because their names have already defined as a special functionality like if, else, switch, etc. What is a operators? It provides some operation is called operator. There are many types of operator, but most important types of operator is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. In arithmetic operator, we consider such types of operator that calculate mathematical function like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, this is a star for multiplication, this is division, and this is integer division. Percent is used for calculating remainder, and this is calculate for power. Next is assignment operator to assign the value, that is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. This is used for many way, and we use it with arithmetic operator. Third is comparison operator, less than, greater than, equal to, and this is not equal to. Logical operator, and, not, and, or. And operator work true if both conditions are true. Not operators is just reverse. If condition is true, then it returns false. Or operator works returns true if any condition is true in two conditions. What is a variable? A variable is an identifier which is a special data type. It has a memory area located in which we can store a value. It will contain only last stored value. What is constant? A constant is name with which a fixed value. It cannot be altered. Example, const pi 3.1416. Data types in C#.NET. These are some important data type that is used in general program, and there is the size occupy in memory. Boolean occupy 1 byte, bytes occupy 1 byte, char occupy 2 bytes. It is used to input single character, that is used for that data type, and it's occupy 8 byte. Decimal for floating point number, and it's used 16 byte. Double is used for long decimal number and occupy 8 byte. Int used for integer and occupy 4 byte. Long used for long integer and occupy 8 byte. Object occupy 4 byte on 32-bit platform and 8 byte on 64-bit platform. Short occupy 1 byte, single occupy 4 byte, string occupy depending on implementing platform. UN means unsigned integer, and it's occupy 4 byte. And some user defined data type that's occupy some of the size of its member. There are some conditional statements in C#.NET. First is if statement, and second is switch statement. If statement has three types: simple if, else if statement, and nested if statement. If statement. If statement is first word if, then we write condition. After in if statement, we write a statement. The second parts of if statement is else, then condition, then statement. If condition is true, then run this statement, and if else part is true, then run this statement. At one time, if and else both parts can't be true. Switch statement. Switch, then condition. Case 1 statement break, case 2 statement break, and case 3 break statement. If case 1 is true, then it's return statement, this statement. If case 2 is true, then return this statement. If case 3 is true, then return this statement. Break statement out, send compiler out from this condition. There are three types of loop in C#.NET: for loop, while loop, do while loop. There is an additional loop each called for each loop, generally used for array. For loop. There are three parts of for loop: initialization, comparison, and increment. We write such types of program. While loop, do while loop.